Hey guys, welcome back to Why You Press the Button. You know the rules. It gives you two choices, and you decide if you're gonna press a button or not. This game is free on the iOS and Android, or you can go to the website up top, whyoupressthebutton.com. All right, so let's get started. You marry the spouse of your dreams, and you have an amazing, fulfilling life, but you will always be poor. I might actually take that risk. Yeah. So I'm gonna hit like on that one. You can manipulate time at will, but you're forced to freeze your age at the moment you press the button.
What are you doing?
Recording. You'll get anything you want on your birthday next year, but you won't get any kind of presents in this remaining year. No, thank you. You can eat whatever you want without having to exercise or move without getting fat. You don't have to eat to survive either. But once you start eating, you have to eat until you die. That would suck. Seriously. Let's not. I heard eat enough a day as it is.
You never gain weight. I do.
You can enter/leave any video game, but all the NPCs will attempt to kill you. Yeah, I'd still do it. You can own Playboy and make millions, but you can only hire old. Ew! First of all, I wouldn't even want to own Playboy. I mean, sure, they make millions. Well, hang on. Own? They didn't say I have to actually record all this stuff and actually be there for everything. I just own it. So, but even so, I make millions, but that would quickly plummet as if I were to hire old ladies. So it'd be a counterproductive instead of reproductive. So no. A Friends reunion movie happens, but you can never watch any of the already existing episodes again. I would not, because Friends is a really good show. It's really good. I really like Friends. I like the old stuff. You get every computer and game for free, but you sleep 16 hours per day. So I'd have to sleep every day around 6. Yeah, I could do that. You wouldn't have to work a day in your life and get all you ever wanted, but you would have to spend the rest of your life inside. I technically do that already. I used to be sort of an outdoors person, but I don't do that. I'm not much anymore because most of my friends have split since then. So, that's not much different than my life already. You become an unstoppable force, but you meet an immovable object. That's just like, that's science right there. You can program anything in your mind like the Matrix, but every time you program something, in your mind, a year of your life goes by. Sure, I'll do that. Every terrorist in the world dies. World peace forever. The world becomes a perfect utopia. But Everyone will hate you for no reason, exile you from society, and forget you exist. This is like one of the do you sacrifice yourself for the good of humanity causes. And me personally, I would do this because world peace is always like a figmentation of the imagination. It's never achievable. But if I were to basically be hated and forgotten I existed just for the peaceful humanity, sure, why not? Cast a film which guarantees every actor an Oscar win. You can't cast Leonardo DiCaprio. Aw, come on. He's like a really good actor. I would love to pick him for one of my movies if I ever did a movie. Oops. Yeah, why not? You obtain any power you want for a full month, but after a month you will die horrifying deaths and be revived nonstop for 24 hours and remember every second of the pain of the rest of your for the rest of your life. That's like your own horror movie and you just live it. And even though you'd remember it, eventually there's eventually, even if I remember the pain every second, they've got mental blocks medicine, so I might actually do that just because of the fact, me being a horror movie freak, I would love to just see that. I still get to live the rest of my life. I just, for 24 hours, am dying and being reviving again, and then revive to remember it all. You can have the best computer in the world, but you'll never be able to clear your search history. Done. You would be extremely gorgeous, but you would be sterile. Sterile. Oh, okay. I get it. The comments down in the game help me. Okay. Extremely gorgeous, but can't have kids. I can't. I really, really would love kids. I don't care about my looks more than having a kid. Than having a kid. I couldn't do it. You can get any non-legendary Pokemon you want in Basic and then evolve it. But Pokemon fights will be really expensive and you'll need a license for $1,000 a year for it. You will live forever, but so will all your exes and they will permanently stalk you. This comes down to is this a bad thing? Because, none of my exes really have hated my guts. I can only think of maybe one or two that have hated my guts. It says stalk me. It doesn't say they would do anything. What that means... So I'm confused. Does that mean in order to keep my current girlfriend, like if I ever were to date one of them again, would they die if at the end of their life? I'm gonna hit the button. You can marry/date your dream partner, but you no longer feel love. There's no point in that. You get 20 wishes, no limitations, but every downside with the number doubles. I.e., or for example, if you lose 2 hours of your life every time you do blank, you now lose 4. I'd still do it. You can do anything you want, but you can only live for 1 more year. No, thank you. You should be able to travel back in time. You would be able to travel back in time, but you would be a snail there. That makes no sense. No. I want to be like Marty, just do whatever. Actually, that's a bad idea. For y'all who haven't seen Back to the Future, Marty screws up a lot, but he also has to fix it to keep himself from not existing. You get to study in the best university for free and get a scholarship, but it's not the subject that you like. I mean, it's still free school. You could... I mean, it's not exactly what you like, but... You get free scholarship. But even so, it still depends on, are you willing to do the work? So, I guess. I mean, it's free. You rule the world, but you have to maintain a direct democracy. No, thank you. I've said this in probably other videos, maybe not, but I am not one to partake in politics. You get a beautiful cat with luxurious fur, but it will only let you touch it with your feet, never your hands. Weird cat. I guess it's still a cute animal. I mean, you become president of the United States, but everybody hates you. Again, politics, no. Ability to teleport instantaneously to anywhere on Earth, but you die in 25 years' time. Yeah, I mean, 25 years to do whatever the hell you want. I mean, we're gonna die anyway. 25 years' time, you get to do whatever the hell you want. That's pretty amazing. Sure. Did I meet the status quo? Okay. So it's very close. You become an immortal female of any age and appearance you desire, but you become an insane militant feminist. Insane feminist, hell no, that's a deal breaker. For the greater good, please don't do it. Please don't. Immortal and female. Stop right there. That is the end of my day. And any age appearance. But I don't want to become... I'm already insane. But militant, I'm not really for the military. So that's a deal breaker. You control your weight, but you lose 5 years of your life. I can't gain weight. That makes no sense to even press the button. You will never die because of disease. You can still become ill. But you will have a mosquito bite on your leg for the rest of your life. Oh my god, that would itch so bad. Just no. No. You become nearly immortal, but you become deathly allergic to the food you love most. This is how you would die. No, thank you. Alright, we'll do 3 more. You become a famous musician, but no one appreciates your music except for a small group of overly artist snobs who will grow out of it in 6 months. No, thank you. Your organs regrow and renew, allowing infinite life, but you must gouge out your eyes with a rusty fork every day. Ow! No! Okay, I know I said earlier in this video, same video, yes, dying every day, live every day, just remember it. Yeah, I mean, I know I'm a horror freak, but that's only for 24 hours. I mean, Jesus, gouging out your eyes with a fork every day. Ow, no! I mean, if I can't feel it, then yeah, but no, no. You will go through parties and everyone will be your friend, but you go mentally crazy with and through party. You go mentally crazy and through parties with objects. What? I don't even understand that one. You can travel to any place in space, but you cannot come back to Earth. You would be able to see what's exactly out there. But I love Earth. But what if I went to New Earth, huh? New Earth. I'll click the button. New Earth. You become immortal, but as long as you are touching this button. So what, I'd literally have to insert the button into my hand or something, into my body, to stay immortal? Yeah, implanted in my body. I'd implant it in my body. Alright, you can have anything you want, but you will never listen to the music ever again. No, I wouldn't do that. Okay, we only got time for one more. You will change sex for a day, but you can't masturbate. Let's skip this one. I'm just gonna go, well, I will not. Skip. You can get concert tickets to anything you want, but you have to sit in the crappiest, farthest seat away from the stage. Okay. I'm gonna leave this one for you guys to answer in the comments. Tell me what you would do. I'm not going to answer this when we get back, because most likely it's not going to be here. But, tell me down in the comment section what you guys would do. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.